Opponent, making her way to the cage, Sonam Zamba!
Stop the fight. You touch gloves, back to your corner.
चलिए करते हैं शुरुआत विमेंस फाइट की, जहां रश्मि का सामना है आज काफी टफ ओपोनेंट से सोनम जोंबा.
I'm always proud to see a women's fight, and it's kudos to Aishwarya Shroff and Krishna Shroff for making this happen. A stacked division in women's MMA is so important to an organization to give a chance to a lot of women who are stepping in from individual discipline sports like karate and kickboxing into MMA, and immediately Sonam Zamba starts with that beautiful inside leg kick. Again, two on the mark, and you can see the speed difference between the opponents. Rashmi Jain a little tentative. She probably feels the power here. And third leg kick, 3 for 3 for Sonam Zamba.
What Sonam here doing is she's trying to tease Rashmi, and she starts banging.
There's clearly a difference in speed and technique here. Sonam Zamba certainly a more technical striker. Beautiful strike to the body there.
Sonam is an elite striker. If you look at her first ever victory, it was by a vicious 3-punch combo. Let's see if she can replicate that with a head kick onto Rashmi Jain.
Beautiful outside right kick. She needs to stay patient, take her time, break down that front leg kick. Guys, if you've never had a leg kick, if you've never eaten a leg kick, you don't know what it does. It batters the muscles, it batters the entire leg. You start to lose mobility, and after a point, few more leg kicks and body kicks, and you watch Rashmi Jain won't be able to breathe properly. Gas tank will begin to empty and sets up the head shots. Beautiful overhand right by Sonam Zamba, who's looking to close the show, close those combinations so beautifully round.
यहाँ पे रश्मि जैन फाइट में थोड़ी अंडरडॉग हैं, और यहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छी स्ट्राइकिंग
Spinning back fist attempt by Sonam here.
So far, Sonam showing excellent striking skills. She's got all the tools in her toolbox, be it spinning elbows, spinning kicks, or inside leg kicks.
No, Rashmi needs to start moving here because she's standing right in front of her opponent. She's standing flat-footed, and this is the perfect situation for a skilled kickboxer like Sonam, because she'll do this always. She's got 14 minutes. She can keep kicking. She can keep landing shots. She's landing a beautiful 1-2 and finishing off with a head kick. I wish she'd mastered head kick a little better, because she's shown it to her opponent already 3 times. Good counter with that left kick. And Sonam she's standing in stance. She's not bouncing on the feet. Staying stable. Beautiful combination. Hang on, she might be hurt here. And the fight is over. I think it was a shot to an eye. She might have hurt her eye with that punch. But what a great performance by Sonam Zamba.
Well, how comfortable was that for her? Sonam Zamba had a good 2.5 minutes sparring session there with Rashmi and absolutely nailed the landing.
Now it was just academic from the get-go. You could see the difference in skill. Now Rashmi couldn't get started. The minute she started to eat those leg kicks, those shots there, and overhand right, some of the striking was telegraphed and a little sloppy, but those kicks were on point. The shots to the body, the shots to the leg, and I think that shot was to the eye. It was not a foaming.
जीचा